Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Books, magazines, collection. I always read books and also online reading. First, meron tayong body language. Second, meron po tayong making your emotions work for you. Next po, guidelines for letter writing. 40 ways to keep your brain sharp, your mind at its best. Next po, evaluate yourself, self-improvement. Next, we have keep believing in yourself and your dreams. Next, let go of whatever make you stop. Next, what makes a leader? Next, we have hope beyond tomorrow. Next, cupidity, 50 stupid things people do for love. Next, we have who moved my cheese. Mga books pa rin po ito, guys. Meron po tayong difficult people. Next is, meron po tayong press, delete, cyberbullying. Next, meron po tayong our daily bread. Next, we have be a people person. Next, we have something to smile about. Next, believe you can. Next, we have evaluate yourself, personality. Next, we have great thoughts on. Next, we have let go of whatever holds you back. Next, we have personality plus at work. Lastly, meron po tayong how to succeed. Magazines na po tayo, guys. Magazines. First, meron po tayong Architectural Digest. Next, meron po tayong House and Home. The Magazine of Home and Style. Next, we have Cooking Life, Comfort Food Favorites. Next, meron po tayong North Shore Food Issue. Next, we have Real Simple 31 Easy Summer Recipes. Lastly, meron po tayo ditong Kitchen Idea Book. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe. Gracias.